As truly said, in nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Hello, friends. My name is Mohini Sinha, and I am an acrylic artist based India. I mostly do landscape painting and animals and bird portrait painting. Many of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. So, in this class, we will be painting 15 different landscapes, which is specially designed for beginners. I will be posting the tutorial every alternate day so that you get time to complete each and every painting. So, in this class, you will be learning how to do perfect blending with 2 colors, 3 colors. Then comes the mountain painting with different textures. Also, we'll be learning different tree forms, the pine trees, the palm trees, and different varieties of trees. Here we will be learning. Here we will be learning the how to make perfect grass. So, without wasting any time, let's start with our day 1 painting, and I hope you will enjoy this whole 15 days journey.